It is not rare to see crypto projects climbing on the market a few weeks after a bull run. A lot of instances are found in the area, but none is more popular right now than Dogecoin killer Shiba Inu. Recently, Shiba Inu cryptocurrency got a lift earlier this week after the well-known exchange, Coinbase, announced plans for the meme digital currency to begin trading on Coinbase. Pro-keen crypto fans will know that this follows the company's decision to enable Dogecoin trading recently. Also, there was more great news in our previous video regarding Shiba Inu being accepted as payment by Paraguay. It seems that slowly, the Shiba Inu coin continues to gain awareness and be adopted by countries and big exchanges like Voyager and Coinbase, but unfortunately, the increased popularity isn't being shown in the Shiba Inu price. The reason for Shiba Inu's difficulty to gain a price surge will be answered in today's video, and we will also go through China's involvement with Shiba Inu and Bitcoin. So stick around for that, because today's video will be massive. Did Shiba Inu already hit the peak? There has been some speculation that the Shiba Inu coin has already reached its peak sentiment. A cryptocurrency analytics firm said the hype for the coin had died down a bit, which is why it hasn't seen a huge rise in value recently. When a coin appears in the emerging trends list, especially in the top 3, it's often a sign of a price top, because it indicates a sort of a peak social hype. Price can hardly sustain its rally without increasing hype or social volume, according to sentiment. However, this may be different for Shiba Inu, due to it being labeled as a stable coin, and its hype coming from its micro-community, named the Shiba Army, which is different from Dogecoin, who have gained most of their hype from celebrities like Mark Cuban and the self-proclaimed Doge father named Elon Musk. Even though Shiba Inu's price has not provided a clear signal for the direction of its trend, the Shiba Inu coin may present an opportunity to profit very soon. Shiba Inu is stuck between support and resistance. Shiba Inu posted massive gains in early May, rising by a whopping 93%. The meme coin went from trading at a low of $0.00000018 and surged to a new all-time high of nearly $0.000040 on May 10th. A wave of profit-taking hit SHIB after the peak, pushing its market value down by more than 86%. Although prices have stabilized after the sell-off, Shiba Inu has entered a stagnation period. He has been contained within a descending parallel channel since May 18th, each time Shiba Inu price has risen to the channel's upper boundaries. Since then, a rejection occurs that pushes it to the lower edge. From this point, it tends to rebound. If this price action repeats, the rebound from the middle support trend line might be significant enough to push Shiba Inu price to the channel's upper boundary at $0.000086 before it faces another rejection or finally breaks out. While a rejection from the $0.000086 resistance level could lead to a downswing to $0.065. A break of this supply barrier may result in massive gains by drawing a parallel trend line equal to the width of the channel. The consolidation pattern forecasts a 42% upside target. If validated, Shiba Inu price might rise to $0.0000123 upon the resistance level break and be on a new bull run. Why is cryptocurrency crashing? Why Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu went or down amidst China crackdown? Bitcoin had reached around $41,000 on Tuesday, but started steadily falling throughout the week, before tumbling in the early hours of Monday. The price of Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies is crashing as China's crackdown on crypto mining gathers pace. In the early hours, Bitcoin is now at $33,000, the world's second largest cryptocurrency. Ethereum has followed in, almost identical pattern. It had climbed above $2,600 early last week, but crashed below $2,000 this morning. Shiba Inu also suffered a sharp fall, and is now valued at around $0.00000757, well below May's peak of over $0.00003628. China crypto clampdown started in May, when its government confirmed a ban on transactions in a joint statement published on the People's Bank of China WeChat account. Banking and Internet Industry Association said that financial institutions should not accept cryptocurrencies as payment or offer services related to them. Recently, cryptocurrency prices have skyrocketed and plummeted, and speculative trading of cryptocurrency has rebounded, seriously infringing on the safety of people's property and disrupting the normal economic and financial order. It added that cryptocurrency is not a real currency and should not and cannot be used as currency in the market. How does Bitcoin mining work? Bitcoin mining is the process of verifying Bitcoin transactions and recording them in the public blockchain ledger. The blockchain ledger is essentially a digital recording of all transactions made in chronological order. Transactions made in real money are verified by banks and other regulatory bodies, but there are no such bodies for cryptocurrency instead. Verifications are made by users by running complex mathematical equations through high-powered computers. Once they solve the equation, they can add the transaction to the blockchain. Miners who verify a transaction are rewarded in Bitcoin, meaning they can earn Bitcoin and make money from it without actually purchasing it. Miners are all constantly racing against each other to verify each transaction and earn the Bitcoin reward. As of November 2020, a miner receives a reward of 6.25 Bitcoins for every transaction added to the blockchain. That announcement caused Bitcoin and other coins to tumble in value, and the weekend's further intervention is further hurting the market. The regions of Sichuan and Inner Mongolia have both ordered the shutdown of all mining operations, with miners forced to pack up and go elsewhere. Bitcoin mining is often criticized as being bad for the environment. Guan Debo, an economist at Tsinghua University in Beijing, told the Financial Times that mining doesn't do any good to the national economic development or social development. On the other hand, it consumes a lot of electricity that could be used for other purposes, especially at a time when provinces are facing electricity shortages. What could happen next? Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, making it very difficult to predict what will happen next. This is why they are risky investments. Ideal Patel, CEO and co-founder at Mudrick, said last week saw a bit of consolidation, with low trading volumes for the top cryptocurrencies. The volatility in prices seems to below both Bitcoin and Ethereum, seem to be hovering around crucial support levels. The meme coin Shiba Inu has lately been among the favorites for the investors and traders after its listing in Coinbase. Dogecoin is currently witnessing a sale. The good news this week for the short-term traders is that the trading volumes have increased across the exchanges. It allows traders to place short-term swing trades. Regarding Shiba Inu, it's not over yet for the coin, as its Robinhood listing is still pending, with over 150,000 signatures and hidden Robinhood messages. As they stated, more cryptocurrencies are coming to the Robinhood. It is only a matter of time before Shiba Inu will get listed. So are you still holding Shiba Inu? Let me know down below if you want to continue to learn about crypto, DeFi, Shiba Inu, and many more coins. Make sure to smash the subscribe and like button. Let's keep building the Shiba Army community. And that's it for today, guys. I will see you all in the next one.